Hi, the waffle maker I wanted is on sale, so today is a good day. Every few months or so, I get an itch in my brain that can only be scratched if I change my appearance drastically. Usually I dye my hair, sometimes I get a piercing. I've been thinking about getting a piercing recently. I'm gonna hold off on that, and I really like my hair, and I don't want to ruin it by dyeing it and then not like it. I'm gonna try to drastically change my appearance for 1 hour and see how long that can hold me off on getting a new piercing. I wanted to go for an e-girl look. Don't completely understand what that means. It just sounds fun. I'm gonna do my makeup and my hair and my clothes in a way that I probably would never actually wear. I do have a fake piercing, so I'm gonna put in a fake nose ring. I'm gonna start off with my makeup, which I'm nervous about because I'm really not that good at makeup. I have my mirror to the side here. I'm really not that good at makeup, so I'm scared I'm just gonna mess it up, and instead of looking different how I want to, I'm just gonna look a mess. But whatever. Okay, always gotta start off with SPF, whether you are a little visco girl like me or an e-girl like I'm trying to be. I really hope you can't hear my neighbor's children screaming. Starting simple, starting with stuff I know. Concealer. So I actually don't have any eyeliner because I've just never been good at eyeliner, and when my last one like ran out and expired, I just didn't buy any more because I was like, I don't wear eyeliner, why would I buy more eyeliner? So I'm not gonna do that because even I know that wouldn't turn out if I tried, even if I had it. But I kind of want to do like that look that's just like one eyeshadow color just across your whole lid, but I wonder if I could use this, like green concealer. I don't think I'm gonna do that because that's probably just a waste. But I think I have like a fun green, and the skirt that I think I'm gonna wear has green in it, so I feel like that'd be cool. This is, I think, the longest I've had pink hair for. I had the ends of my hair pink for about a month 2 years ago, and then I had it all pink for like 2 or 3 months 1 year ago, and then I kind of regretted dyeing it back to brown. Like, I wish I'd either kept it pink for longer, or I wish I had dyed it like purple while I still had the bleached hair. But I just like went on a whim and dyed it back to brown. So now I'm trying to keep my pink hair for probably a little bit longer at the least. But my next decision is, what do I want to do after that? Because my options are just dye it back to brown. I definitely will do that again by the summer because when I'm swimming and stuff, it's not a good idea to have pink hair because it just does not stay pink in lake water and pool water. So I will be dyeing it back. Do I cut it to my shoulders and dye it a light blue? Light blue? Or do I do like the Narcissa Malfoy hair, because I've been obsessed with that, and I know it's a huge trend right now and I'll just look basic for following the trends, but it literally looks so good on some people. And if I did that, I'd just keep growing my hair. And I'm not gonna do that stuff for like a few months at least, so I know that I'm making the decision that I actually want to and not just going out like on a whim. But I don't know what to do. And that's why I need to change something, because I'm just like, that's all, like that just eats away at my brain. Still not good at contour. There's still a million tutorials all over the internet that I definitely could watch. Still not watching any of them. I think this makes me look a little bit tanner at the least, which I need right now. I do not go outside during the winter. I'm not a cold weather person, and it's not even that cold, but like, I'm gonna try, usually I just like I'm gonna try to be more particular with where I place it. So I'm gonna do a lot on my nose, concentrate it right here and right here. But I'm not gonna connect them. I might end up connecting them. We'll have to see if I'm gonna connect them. I think the fact that I have pink hair might be the only thing that ends up actually looking e-girl about this entire look, because I don't have a lot of back clothing. I'm not good at makeup, so I can't do anything that drastic. And I'm gonna do something cute to my hair, but like, that's probably it. I don't have that many fun colors. Okay, I have a bright pink, and I have like a dark green. I also have a bright purple. I don't think I want to use the bright purple. Do I do bright pink or dark green? Okay, we're gonna try it. Oh, this comes out really not that big of a fan. I mean, maybe I should have used like an actual brush or something. No, I probably should really wipe this off. It's not a good look. Well, okay, I'm gonna... My backup idea for when inevitably I could not do eyeshadow is lashes. So for my top lash line, I'm gonna use Milky Lashes. This is Simp because the internet simps for e-girls. That's my issue is, so I grew up being a competitive dancer, and basically the only makeup I can do is everyday makeup or stage makeup. And just the smoky eye stage makeup, bright red lipstick is not the look for today. So we're just gonna deal with my mediocre talents. But if there's one thing I can do, it's fake eyelashes. These got big. Okay, I don't know how they look on camera, but they feel giant in person. But okay, now here's my secret weapon of what I was gonna do when eyeshadow inevitably failed, is bottom eyelashes. Okay, I keep seeing them and they look so cool. I'm just gonna cut up some of the eyelashes that I used to use and just make little bottom eyelashes and just do them on the corner of the bottom of my eyes. I think that would look really cute. Should I look at like a inspiration picture? Probably. But am I gonna? Probably not. The ones I'm cutting are just like Ardell. I've had a pack of these forever, but I really don't wear fake eyelashes enough to have gone through them. Okay, very gently. Cut. Look. I lost it. I'm excited. Okay, when I did it on both eyes, I think it actually looks kind of good. Don't tell me I'm wrong. Even if I am, don't tell me I'm wrong. Okay, well I'm gonna... I have so many little baby eyelashes now. I don't know if this is e-girl, it feels almost more 70s, but I'm kind of a fan. Where's my boy brow? I'm gonna do my eyebrows kind of normal because I literally don't know how to do them any other way. Looking at pictures, I am going to use the bright pink I have. I'm going to try to accentuate my nose blush a little bit more with that and put it kind of under and around my eyes and temples. I think it looks cool when other people do that, so I'm going to try it. I might also try to draw like a little heart on my face if I have... I can use a Sharpie. I have to work today, but I also have to wear a mask at work, so no one would know if I drew a Sharpie. Wow, this is pigmented. That's fine, it's what I need. Which smells like chalk. Definitely should have done this before the bottom eyelashes, but I didn't know at the time that I was doing this, so shut up. Does this look good? I'm so scared. I feel like I look like a Who. I look like Cindy Lou Who because it's just a little red nose. We're just gonna keep adding and blending until it looks good. You know? And then I think I'm gonna draw a heart on my cheek. I might use Sharpie. See, now is the perfect time to try like ridiculous stuff anywhere under your eyes in your makeup. Because if it looks bad, you just have your mask on. Genius. Blending it out here because this one girl had it around her temples and it kind of looked nice. Okay, I'm starting to like it actually. I think I'm starting to like it. I kind of still look like a Who. But maybe I'll be Martha May Whovier instead of Cindy Lou, you know? Because she's kind of hot. She's like a little Who icon. I think I'm good. Okay, actually, I'm kind of a fan of this. Do I look like a Who or I look like a Who. How do these other girls look good? I look like I'm from Whoville. 'Tis the season, I guess. Maybe if I accentuate the eyes more than I accentuate my nose. One day I'm gonna move out into the wilderness of nowhere so I can film my videos without any neighbors hearing me. Oh, who's cutting their grass? Honestly, I can't tell if it looks good, but I kind of like it anyway. You know what I mean? And So, do I get a Sharpie or do I try to draw it on with literally anything that's not Sharpie? Do I have anything? Wait, I do have a little bit of eyeliner. Oh my god, okay. Heart right here? Yeah. Right, I'm just trying to fix it, but I just keep making it bigger. Every time I try to fix it, it just ends up bigger. Okay. That's it for my makeup. Now I'm gonna do... Okay, I'm gonna start with the most drastic part of the jewelry, is the fake piercings. I think I'm gonna give myself a nose ring and an extra ear cartilage. So I could do a septum, but I don't think I'm a septum kind of person. Actually, this is kind of cute. I'm not gonna do a septum though. I'm gonna do this because I kind of actually want this in real life. So we're gonna test it out. Okay, there's that, and then I already have a cartilage on this side, but I think I should add one on the other side. Or, oh wait. I'm gonna add, I have no idea what this piercing's called, but I've been seeing it all the time and it's actually pretty cute. Right there. Hopefully you're focused. So now I have a hoop, 4 piercings on this side and 4 piercings on this side, and e-girl makeup. Okay, next I need to do a lot of rings, so I'm gonna put on a spoon ring that I always wear, the little crying ring that I always wear. I'm missing a ring. Okay, here's my this little locket ring. I feel like that's very e-girl, I hope. Starfish and a butterfly. Which hand should the butterfly go on? Lots of rings. Okay, and then now I have a thick boy chain. I got this. Alosh's brand Starlight Village was having a sale for Black Friday, so I bought a thick chain just because I don't really own any thicker jewelry and I thought it'd be cute. I actually didn't buy it thinking about the video, but now I think it's perfect for the video. I think I should put on some sort of lipstick too, but I also really don't want to. I'm not a lipstick person. I just kind of hate how it looks on me. My little safety pin one, double layer the chains. Oh my god, wait, I kind of like how I look. Like, I think this is coming together, like, really nice. Oh my god. Wait, why am I a fan of this? Don't be shocked when you see me looking like this every day. Hair, I've done this look before, and I think it's really cute, but I never wear it out in public, so I'm definitely gonna use it for that. For this, it's just the, like, 2 little pigtails, just half up. This is kind of messy. I hope this looks okay. I think it'll be fine. And I have to redo this. No, I'm not gonna redo it. I look cute. The jewelry and the hair is making me look less like a who and more like an e-girl. I think I'm gonna wear this to work. I'm just gonna walk in and everyone's just gonna be like, who? What? I don't think they'll be shocked though. These 2 pigtails are definitely different sizes, but I kind of like the messy look. Otherwise, I would have brought a brush out here, but alas, I did not. Okay. Oh my god. Can you stop mowing your grass? I'm turning into an e-girl. I feel so cute, actually. Like, okay, I think this lighting's good, but let me bring you into better lighting. Oh my god, I look cute. Like, this kind of fits me. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe I look awful, but, like, I feel cute. Daisy's looking at me like I'm crazy. Do you want to be an E-Daisy? This is hair, makeup, and jewelry. I'm still kind of wearing a Visco girl outfit, so like, let's go change. I'm gonna go inside to change.
What?
How do I look?
Come here, I can't see you in the shadow.
I still have to change.
What were you doing out there?
What do I look like? I'm not a princess.
You look so pretty.
Yeah, I'm gonna go film more.
What?
I'm gonna go film my outfit. Jeez. Can you stop fucking mowing your lawn? I got my completed e-girl makeup, chains, and outfit. This is just like a black mock neck. This is my strawberry shortcake shirt, but repurposed into e-girl, and then these are my pink Mary Janes. I think it's very fitting. I feel so not me. Okay, this was a good idea. Okay, if you want to dye your hair or like get a piercing or change yourself, but you know you shouldn't, just take an hour to dress up into like the exact opposite of your aesthetic or like the opposite of who you are, because it is worth it. Like this, like, okay, I probably won't get my piercing for like a few weeks now. I think I can hold off. In the end, I think the one was a good idea, and I think the pink was a good idea. I think with the outfit, it makes me look a lot less like a who and a lot more like an e-girl. He's scared of me. It's me, Cappy. It's me. Come here. Why are you scared of me? I'm sorry.
Oh, she wants the dead cat.
Oh yeah, she thinks it's a ball. Come here, baby. Come here. I'm sorry. Oh, he wants the chair more than he wants me.
Makes sense.
Show me, me, but you love me, Loki. What are they, me? I'm just gonna admire myself in the mirror for the next hour. I'm gonna take some pictures for the thumbnail. Gonna insert those, gonna take those pictures, gonna make a thumbnail. Probably gonna sit around like this for an hour until I have to go somewhere. But thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other videos you want to see from me. Bye!
Heard you say I'm not the baddest, but you lie. It ain't my fault.